Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to show you how to put products on your e-commerce website. In case you're using WordPress and WooCommerce, it's going to be a very good video for you. So sometimes things are easy, but now you need to know or be sure of what you're doing. There's an online store called view2tech.com. This one, view2tech.com. You can get it's on Google Shop also. You can punch in www.view2tech.com. you see what we're talking about. The website by itself looks like this year, but I don't know in the next years when we're gonna change it and all that. You can see images here. Some they have background, some they don't have. In most cases, it's always advisable to do an image where you will be able to take the background off. You can see some images here because there are sellers who come to sell here. In most cases, they don't have their own store, their own products and stuff. They go to shops and negotiate and make pictures, and when these things are arranged like this one, you cannot take them off and make pictures. They don't allow it. Some they own their products whereby they can put them down and they do that. Let me show you one. This is the preparation, how you do your product. You can go to to remove background. You can say this remove BG. Okay, this tool can help you to delete the background of the picture. Okay, now when you're here, we're now gonna work on one product. So let me see which one can we use. You can see something like this. There's no way you can take out the background. I'm gonna give you a chance to see. Okay, you see the system has done, but it's a lot of items are out. You can see, so you can't do that. So you look for an independent picture. I'm gonna get you more pictures. Like that, like that, like that. You see, this is a picture which you can play with, right? Good. So you get that. You can see it's here. So this you can use it. What do? You drag and drop the picture here. You can see this, no stress, no problem. That worked. You download it. After download, you go back, you get another picture. Sometimes it's better to have two pictures. Another picture of the same product. Done. You can see this, it cut off some stuff, but anyway, download it. Okay, once you've downloaded that, we're gonna close this tool. Then we go to product. WordPress and WooCommerce are very easy things to set up. So I think I made one video how to set up this. Then what you do, you say it's called chips cutter, stroke chips cutting machine. Okay, potatoes. Okay, we can say potato chips cutting machine. Okay, for you have to make sure the headings right for your search engine and all that. And also if you use Yoast, it's gonna be good. You come here, you paste this here to be like your whatever. So if you have categories here, you can go to kitchenware look for kitchenware. If you don't have a category, you can create one right here. You click here and create a category. But I think I have kitchenware. You can see kitchenware. After that, is it under what? Under cutters, whatever, all those things. You can leave it the way it is. Later on, you can create a category and put it to be a subcategory of kitchen cookware. Kitchenware and cookware, right? You can say instead of publishing, you must put the image. So if you have the description, it's always gonna be good. You get me? Okay. You can put the dimension, also the delivery note, all those things. You get me? So if you can. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to our pictures. You go to download. Remember where we downloaded those pictures? Downloads. Okay, I'm gonna delete this. So I'll delete this. Okay, this one I know, it's the one we used. You can see how it looks like. So we rename it. Okay, okay, and also we can rename this. Okay, it won't take something which is the same. Okay, then you save. After saving, you go back to your stuff here and look for, you can see here we say set image, and you go here, publish. Yes, that's the first image. Okay, okay, you put that, come back here. Okay, you can put a small description. If you are in food business, this is the right tool for you. Okay, that's fine. Then after putting the image, you remember there's this image is also for another image here, add product whatever gallery image. So you come here, you're taking the second image, putting it here. Okay, then add, then down here you have to put the prices. How much are you selling this? Okay, you can talk about also delivery and all that. After doing that, you can go and save, right? After saving, we're done with that. Now the more information you give, the more chances you stand to make money. For instance, you can put the quality, the brand, what they call the shipping, you get me, all those things. So we're gonna go to the website view2tech.com. You can see that this product, we have it. You can see the product is there. So it has the heading, it has the prices and all that. You can see these products without background, they look a little bit more professional than those ones without background. Yeah, well guys, if you're using WordPress, eCommerce, that's it. That's the way we put products on your online store. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. If I made any mistake or you want me to do another video about something, then you tell me. See you in the next video.